गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। आज की वीडियो है इंग्लिश लिटरेचर से रिलेटेड। आज इसमें एचटेट इंग्लिश और लिटरेचर से संबंधित ही क्वेश्चन किए जाएंगे। इसमें इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है इंडियन राइटर्स का। ये हमारी नेट, एचटेट, रिट और पीटेट, सीटेट, डीएसएसपी सभी के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट वीडियो है। तो फेमस वर्क्स रहेंगे उनके लाइफ के बारे में रहेगा। तो फर्स्ट है सलमान रश्दी, मिडनाइट्स चिल्ड्रन, बोर्न इन 19 जून 1947, बॉम्बे। मिडनाइट्स चिल्ड्रन portrayed the journey of India from British rule to independence and then partition. The book received a great response, winning the Booker Prize in 1981 and the Booker of Bookers Prize twice in 1993 and 2008. The book travels to various parts of the country, includes Kashmir, Agra. His famous works, The Stainic Verses, Shame, The Moor's Last Sigh and Fury. नेक्स्ट जो हमारे हैं आर के नारायण, द गाइड। आर के नारायण वॉज बोर्न इन अक्टूबर 1906, मद्रास। आर के नारायण इज द बेस्ट नोन फॉर स्टोरीज based in and around the fictional village of Malgudi. The Guide is yet another story to set up in Malgudi. R. K. Narayan won the Sahitya Academy Award for the book in 1960. The Guide is the story of a tour guide who transforms himself into a spiritual guru and then the greatest holy man of India. The book was also adopted as film. His works, The Guide, Swami and Friends, A Tiger for Malgudi, The English Teacher, Malgudi Days, Collection of Stories, Waiting for the Mahatma, The Bachelor of Arts. थर्ड है महात्मा गांधी, The Story of My Experiment with Truth. मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट बुक्स है। Born 2 October 1869, Gujarat, Porbandar. Mahatma Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi has always been a very prominent figure in Indian history. From his unbeatable spirit to inspiring courage from various controversies to his life as the father of the nation, Gandhi has always been inspiring and impressive personality to read about. If you want to know all about Gandhi and his journey, you can't miss out on reading My Experiment with Truth, his autobiography that covers his life from early childhood till 1961. Trustship, Truth is God, Satyagraha in South Africa, All Men are Brothers. Next है विक्रम सेठ, A Suitable Boy, born 20 June 1952, Kolkata. Published in 1993, this 1349 pages long book is one of the longest novel ever published in a single volume in the English language. The story focuses on India post-partition as a family looks for a suitable boy to marry their daughter. Seth's follow-up book, A Suitable Girl. His works, The Golden Gate and Equal Music, Two Lives, A Suitable Girl. Next है Jhumpa Lahiri, The Interpreter of Maladies. Born July 11, 1967, London, Bengali. This is a collection of 9 stories by Lahiri. The stories are based on lives of Indian and Indian Americans who are lost between the two cultures. The book was published in 1999 and won the Pulitzer Prize for Fiction and the Hemingway Foundation Pen Award in the year 2000 and has sold over 15 million copies worldwide. Her works, The Namesake, अनअकस्टम्ड अर्थ, द लो लैंड। नेक्स्ट है मुल्क राज आनंद, द प्राइवेट लाइफ ऑफ एन इंडियन प्रिंस, born December 12, 1905, Peshawar, now Pakistan. This book was published in 1953 and is considered as one of Ananda's finest works. The story revolves around abolition of princely state in India, focusing on the life of a king and his fascination towards one of his mistresses. The story has some real life incidents which are beautiful converted into fiction. His works Untouchable, Coolie, The Leaves and a Bud, Across the Black Waters, The Swords and the Sickles, The Big Heart, 7 Summers, The Old Woman and the Cow, The Road, Confession of a Lover, The Death of a Hero. Most important person in English literature, Mulk Raj. Khushwant Singh, Train to Pakistan. Train to Pakistan is a compelling portrayal of the partition of India. The book touches upon the human angel and brings out the scenes of reality and horror. The way Singh has described a village where a peaceful and loving community transforms into one driven by hatred and fear is remarkable. Published in 1956, the book has been translated into Tamil and has been adapted into a film with the same name. Thank you very much.